Hi folks, an update from the hybrid lane. If you want to check your speed of your cars, it's normally done, let's take a look, with the build, it's the mini four-wheel drive speed checker from Tamiya. And it has refurbished from one of our members, our Wimpy. And normally it's a speed checker for analog cars. The minus on the left side and the plus on the right side. But that doesn't work for Oxigen cars. So you have to refurbish it to do something else, because you want to have the power on the plus on the left side and the minus on the right side. So I printed a plateau, and it has its own power now, 12 volts. Because why do you want to know the speed of your car? Yeah, if you have 6 beautiful Oxigen cars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Alfas and now a new Mercedes. Yeah, you want to have them about the same speeds, 24 kilometers, 25 kilometers, 26 kilometers per hour. So when you have a race, it's an equal race. So if you drive digitals, it doesn't really matter a lot. But if one car drives 30 kilometers per hour, yeah, then you have something else. So we put the car on the device. Powered it up. Put the speed checker on it. And the SAP knob in it. One moment, please. Yes, it's powered. Do we have power? No, we don't. Yes, we have. And there it goes. And it's about 26 kilometers per hour. So 25, 26. Now I want to check all the cars if they are in the same direction of speed. So until next time, next update. Ciao.